Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily jailbreak iOS 16.7.6 using the Dopamine Jailbreak. The good thing is that you will be able to set a passcode also, which is not possible if you jailbreak your device, your iOS 16 device with the Palera1n Jailbreak. And after the successful jailbreak, we will also install TrollStore. Of course, TrollStore will only work while you are jailbroken. The method shown in this video is completely free, and if this same guide works with iOS 16.7.17 with dopamine, I will mention that in the description, in the title, and in the thumbnail, so that you can see that this is the same method which works with any higher version. Now, as you can see, I have this iPhone 8 Plus, which is running iOS 16.7.16. You can also check it out in the device itself. Alright. Now, before you begin, make sure that you have turned off Defender temporarily. After the jailbreak process is complete, make sure that you turn it on. We are doing this so that the process goes on smoothly without issues. First of all, head to the official GitHub page for Dopamine, alright, and from there you will see these releases. Now, if you're watching this video later, once a stable release is out which supports 16.7.16 or higher, you will see it right here. But for now, we have the Dopamine 2.5 beta, so you will simply hit the releases, and then from there simply get the latest beta. You will see assets, simply hit it, and then from there get the dopamine.ipa to your computer. Now, as you can see, I already got this dopamine.ipa to my computer already. Now, before we begin installing Dopamine Jailbreak onto our device, make sure that you have installed iTunes from the official Apple's website. If you have installed it from the Microsoft Store, please uninstall it and install it from here. You can simply get iTunes file from here and then install it like any other app. It is very easy to do just by following the instructions. Once iTunes is installed, we will install the Dopamine Jailbreak tool using Impactor. You can use iLoader, you can also use Sideloading, those are fine. Impactor, as you can see, we are at its official GitHub page. It is also completely free. Now, from under releases, get the latest release, scroll down, and then simply get this file, this x86-64 file, Impactor Windows, alright? And then install Impactor like any other app. It is also very easy to do. Simply follow the instructions and you are done. Now, after iTunes and Impactor is installed, I recommend restarting your computer once. Now, at this point, simply connect your device via USB and hit any trust dialogues which you might get, and then fire up Impactor. And it should now detect your device right here. From there, simply hit this gear icon and then hit add account to add your Apple ID. Any Apple ID will work. Simply add it and it will show up here above. Once it is added, simply hit back and then simply hit import IPA button. Now from there, simply select the Dopamine IPA. Hit on open and then hit install. Now simply wait for the process to finish. Alright, as you can see, the process is finished and you will see the Dopamine app right on your device. Now you can close out of Impactor and we will follow the rest of the process on device. Alright guys, as you can see, it is the same device. It's an iPhone 8 Plus and we have the Dopamine app right here and we are running iOS 16.7.16. Now, before you can open the Dopamine app, open settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected, then go to general, then go to device management, and from there you will have to trust this app. Once it is trusted, move one step back. At the main settings page, scroll down until you see privacy and security. From there, you will see developer mode. You will only see once the app is already installed on your device. It will be off, simply turn it on. Hit on restart. Once you're in, you'll see this dialog. Hit on turn on. Wait for the Wi-Fi to connect and then open the Dopamine app. Now simply hit jailbreak. From there, select a package manager, go with Sileo, continue. The first part, downloading kernel, can take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. Wait for the process to finish. Now simply select a password for sudo. I recommend going with alphabets. Then hit set. Alright, once complete, go in and you'll see Sileo on your home screen. Sometimes Sileo appears late or it does not appear. What you can do is simply reboot your device, re-jailbreak, and it will appear. Or you can wait for 20 seconds almost and it will appear. Now let's open Sileo. First of all, let's check out the version. Alright, 16.7.16. We have some updates. Update all, confirm, done. Go to sources, everything looks good. Now to get your device ready to run tweaks, go to search and search for Alikit. Alright, hit on get, leave it in queue, go to search again and then search for preference loader, hit on get. We have two packages in queue, confirm. Don't worry, the reboot device button will only do a user space reboot, so it will come back on quickly. Alright, once you are in, now your device is ready to run your tweaks. Alright, Wi-Fi is connected again. Now again open Sileo. Now let's test a tweak. So I will go to search. I will install Cylinder Reborn. It is completely free. Restart Springboard. Now once you're back on, you can see the tweak is working fine. If you go to settings, scroll all the way down, you can see it in settings. So preference loader is working fine. Now to install TrollStore, you can simply open Sileo again, go to search and search for Troll and select TrollStore Lite. Get queued and confirm to install TrollStore Lite. Hit on done, go back and you will see it here and it will work. But again, it will only work while your device is jailbroken. If you reboot your device or your battery runs out, simply re-jailbreak it and TrollStore will start to work. Now, as I said earlier that yes, you will be able to set a passcode unlike Palera1n. We will go to settings, touch ID and passcode. Now simply hit turn on passcode. We will set a passcode. Alright, no issues whatsoever. You can also use the same method on iOS 15.8.8 also. You can jailbreak it with Dopamine. If you want to check out a complete guide, it is in the description. It is very easy to follow. Now, if you want to return back to stock and remove the jailbreak, open the Dopamine app, go to settings, and from there simply hit remove jailbreak and then hit continue. Your device will now reboot. Alright, we are back. Now if you check out, the jailbreak is completely removed. Sileo TrollStore which we installed is now removed. If you now open the Dopamine app, you can see we have the option to jailbreak it again. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.